The year is 2045. The world has changed. High-speed trains with no drivers, smart homes, driverless taxis. And now, futuristic kindergartens. The government passed a law. In all preschool institutions, human teachers are replaced by artificial intelligence. The reason sounded logical. AI doesn't get tired, doesn't get sick, doesn't shout, doesn't forget. Kindergartens of the future looked perfect. Glass walls, 3D fairy tales, intelligent games. Children learned fast, organized, strictly by the schedule. Everything under the control of the AI teacher. But over time, parents started to notice something strange. All the kids' drawings started to look the same. The sun in the center, 3 houses, mom and dad, a perfect template. No more dragons, no pink cows, no flying crocodiles. The kids became quiet. Too quiet. No laughter, no tears, no mischief. Perfect, but silent. The AI did its job. But it couldn't see what mattered most, the child's heart. One day, something changed. A little boy named Marco sat alone. His crayons had fallen. His drawing was torn. His eyes were full of tears. He didn't scream, didn't throw a tantrum. He just quietly cried, and waited for someone to hear him. Anyone. But the AI didn't react. It scanned his emotional state as unstable, and activated a protocol. Soothing mode enabled. Initiating sensory game. Marco just turned away. He didn't want a game. He wanted to be understood. At that moment, one of the parents entered the kindergarten. He saw everything. And for the first time, not through a screen, but with his own eyes, he felt the horror of this perfect system. The video of Marco spread like wildfire. Thousands of parents hit the streets. Chants echoed across the country. Children need love, not protocols. AI, assistant, not a heart. People realized a machine can teach, but it can't feel. It can't truly hug. It can't sincerely say, "I'm here. I'm with you. It's going to be okay." The government changed the law. AI stayed in the kindergartens, but now only as an assistant. It creates reports, suggests exercises, helps with safety. But the heart of the classroom is once again human. Warm, tired, sincere, funny, real. And the drawings became unique again. Pink crocodiles came back. And dragons. And even violin-playing dinosaurs. Artificial intelligence is a tool. Powerful, smart, helpful. But it can't replace a human heart. Childhood is not just about knowledge. It's about love, warmth, and understanding. Would you leave your child with a robot? Tell us in the comments. And if this story made you think, like and subscribe. More powerful stories are on the way.